Hello, everyone. Welcome back for your chemistry lesson for the day. Today is Thursday, and we're doing day 108, neutralization and titration. Brought a guest speaker today. This is Mocha. Oh, there's no food up there, Mocha. Mocha's one of our other dogs. He's driven by food for sure, and he loves to attack things he can't see because he's virtually blind, but he still loves to attack them. So he's pretty fierce. He's our good guard dog. So if we've learned anything in the past few days, have you gone outside and taken your dog for a walk or sat down and cuddled your cat? Because I think that's pretty important to do. You should do that. All right, see ya. So we've been talking about acids and bases. Acids add the hydrogen ion, H plus, in the beginning, and bases have a hydroxide ion, OH minus, on their end to signify that they're a base. When an acid and the base combine together, we're going to talk a bit more today about what they form. We've already mentioned that. An acid and a base, when they react together, form salt and water. That's what gives us our saltwater oceans. Today, we're going to be talking about what's called titration. Titration is a type of neutralization. We're able to do a neutralization reaction when we titrate. So if we were in school right now, and hopefully when we come back to school, we'll have time to do it, we're going to set up these big tubes. They're called burettes. And there'll be a known solution of acid. So its strength will be known, like, say, 1.5 molar HCl, hydrochloric acid, in one. And then we have a base. So you had sodium hydroxide, but you don't know how strong it is. So what you're able to do is you're able to dribble out a certain volume of the acid, then put an indicator in it, something that changes color upon a different pH. So we take an indicator like phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is going to change when we take that acid and make it just slightly basic. So when you dribble in the sodium hydroxide, you go from having this clear hydrochloric acid to all of a sudden it turns pink. And when it turns pink and stays pink, we've hit what's called the equivalence point, where we have neutralized that solution. Then what you're able to do is you're able to take the volumes of each and calculate them using what's called the titration formula. It's the molarity of the acid times the volume of the acid equals the molarity of the base times the volume of the base. We've done a formula very similar to this one, so it won't be a tough one for you. I call it the MAVA formula, which is Ma times Va equals Mb times Vb. Molarity of the acid times the volume of the acid equals the molarity of the base times the volume of the base. And what you'll do is you'll have three things that are known in that, and you're trying to find the one thing that's unknown, and you can calculate that using that formula. So the end goal of today will be that. So hopefully we'll get there, and hopefully you're having good days, that this homeschooling hasn't gotten too crazily weird for you, and that you're having an okay time and you're dealing with your brothers and sisters and your family and things are going well. Again, email me if you have any questions, or if things are going bad, email and we can see what we can do. There's a lot of people at school that can help out. So hopefully we'll see you soon. Enjoy. And I hope this lesson's a good one for you. Thanks.